With the onset of the liberalization, India has emerged as fast upcoming superpower. The liberalization unleashed the great upsurge in the demand of commercial and residential space to cope with the growth of industrialization. Today, Bhiwadi has become the third largest industrial hub of India and it's being ranked number 1 in North India, resulting into a creation of huge demands for commercial and residential space. So, Advance India Builders and Promoters Private Limited is coming up with a world-class mixed-use commercial development, Advance Saga Castle, the tallest commercial tower with unique concept first time in Bhiwadi, which is 30 kilometers from Hero Honda Chowk and 17 kilometers from KMP Expressway right on the main Bhiwadi-Alwar Express Highway. It is situated on a two-sided open corner plot with large frontage on both sides. It is surrounded by many premium residential projects. Top multinational companies like Honda, Jaguar, Gillette India, Ashok Leyland, Saint-Gobain Glass, Aisha, etc. have made their presence in Bhiwadi already and many more to come. In Advance Saga Castle, the floor-wise distributions has been done on the basis of commercial importance and detailed study on the present demand of the industry. The lower floors, ground, first and second floors will be segmented by shops and showrooms. The third floor is dedicated to the food court. Fourth floor credits entertainment zone such as health club, beauty salon, spa, yoga center, kids zone and games etc. We have introduced a very unique concept, CBC, Corporate Business Center, based on International Business Center. 6th and 7th floors have been kept aside for fully furnished and raw office spaces, and for the comfort of home, we have introduced Maharaja Luxury Suites. These are fully furnished 5-star luxury service apartments with swimming pool and garden on 9th and 10th floor for the first time in Bhiwadi. The golden opportunity for the investor is that AIBPL offers 12% assured return for investors. Advance Saga Castle will be the iconic tower and the gateway to Bhiwadi. Advance India Builders and Promoters Private Limited.